The issue is not to lighten your skin, but knowing how to maintain your new skin tone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to maintain your skin tone after lightening, whitening, or brightening it. So if you have achieved your desired skin tone and you would love to maintain your new complexion, then you want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be showing you how to maintain your skin lightening results and some of the best body lotions and oils that you can use. So let's jump right into it. So most times the issue for some people is not to lighten the skin, but how to maintain that new skin tone that they've already achieved, because a lot of people find it very easy to lighten up their skin, but once they attain that desired complexion that they love, it's always hard for them to know how to actually maintain that particular skin tone that they just achieved. That is why sometimes you see some people looking fair today and tomorrow they are dark, just because they've discontinued a particular lightening product, and once they discontinue that particular lightening product, they will end up looking dark in the next 3 or 7 days. So maintaining that lightening, whitening, or brightening result that you just achieved with a lightening product can actually be very hard. So that is why when I saw a request to make this particular video, I just had to jump on it, because this is something I gladly want to talk about. So I'll be showing you the tips and tricks that you need to use if you want to maintain your skin tone after lightening or brightening or whitening your skin. So let's jump right into it. So the first step you need to take if you want to maintain your skin lightening or whitening or brightening results is sun care. I know I always talk about sun protection a lot, like using a sunscreen every day. That's because it's very necessary. You really need a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you want to maintain your skin tone after lightening or brightening or whitening your skin. Like, the sun is one of the major causes of skin darkening. So when you are not using a sunscreen, you are bound to redarken or go back to your normal complexion, and you don't really want that. So you seriously need a sunscreen in your skincare routine if you don't really want to redarken after you have achieved the desired skin tone that you want. And when buying a sunscreen, you want to look out for sunscreen that have at least SPF 30 and contains both UVA and UVB protection. And in as much as you're using a sunscreen daily, you need to be very mindful of how much time you spend under the sun. So there are a lot of good sunscreen out there that you can basically get to protect your skin and prevent it from redarkening. So I actually have a video on some best sunscreen that you can get and use for your skin. So I'll link the video up here and in the description box so that you can check that out. So the second step you need to take if you want to maintain your skin tone after lightening it is to exfoliate. Exfoliating your skin once or twice a week is one way that you can help your skin to remove dead skin cells and at the same time maintain that glowing skin. So I'm not asking you to use a hard scrub or something extreme to scrub off those dead skin cells on your skin. So all you basically need is a light exfoliation with a good toner and using those exfoliating hand gloves or regular scrub. And I'll recommend using the Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt, but if you have a sensitive skin, you can basically reach out for the La Fresh scrub or Dove scrub. I have a video on some best scrub that you can use for your skin, so I will equally link that up here and in the description box so that you can get to check that out. So scrubbing or exfoliating your skin will go a long way to remove texture on your skin, smoothen out your skin, and give you that soft, radiant, glowing skin, and help your other skincare products to absorbing very fast into the skin. So the third step you need to take if you want to maintain your skin tone and avoid getting dark is using supplements. I know some people don't like using supplements because they are simply ignorant of its benefits to the skin, but the truth still remains that taking supplements will really help your skin to glow from within. Like for instance, taking vitamin C supplements will really help to keep your skin healthy and prevent it from getting dark. Vitamin C supplements helps in production of collagen on the skin, and at the same time they help to inhibit melanin production. So when you take a vitamin C supplement, it's not going to harm your skin or harm your organs, but it's going to help your skin and at the same time help your body function well. So it's one supplement that is suitable for all skin types, and I actually love the Ascorbic C 1000 milligram supplement and the Nature's Field vitamin C. Like any of these two vitamin C supplements will help to glow your skin from inside out. So taking supplements will basically help your skin and prevent it from getting dark. I also have a video on some good supplements that you can use to glow your skin and lighten your skin. So I will probably link that video up here and in the description box so that you can check it out. So using a supplement is one way that you can actually maintain your skin tone without doing too much. So the fourth step that you can use to maintain your skin tone after lightening, whitening or brightening your skin is to moisturize. Moisturizing your skin is the easiest way to maintain your skin tone after lightening or brightening up your skin. Like this is one step you don't want to skip even if you have an oily skin. So when getting a moisturizer, you want to be on the lookout for moisturizers that contains peptides, ceramides. So when getting a moisturizer, you want to be on the lookout for hydrating moisturizers. You want a moisturizer that will hydrate your skin, moisturize your skin, and at the same time give you that glow effect. And you can basically reach out for the E45 lotion or cream. Like it's a very nice moisturizer that you can use on your skin. And I also have a video on some good moisturizers that you can use on your skin. So I will equally link that up here and in the description box so that you can check that out as well. When it comes to moisturizing your skin, you can also opt in for body oil. If you're someone that doesn't like using a body lotion, you can choose to go for the Clear Nature oil, Vits Gold oil, or the bio oil. Any of those oils will help your skin. And I also have a video on some good oils that you can use on your skin. So I will equally link that video up here and in the description box for you to check that out. So the fifth or final tip on how to maintain your skin tone after lightening or whitening or brightening your skin is to trick your skin. Yeah, this is where all the work comes in. So this is where I see a lot of people making mistakes. Like immediately you've achieved your desired complexion or skin tone, you dump the products that you were using and you reach out for new products. Well, the goal is to trick your skin into staying light and prevent it from redarkening. So in order for you to do that, you don't need to discontinue the particular product that gave you your desired complexion. You don't really need to do that. Some people can actually do that and get away with it. That's if they had a lighter skin tone before. But the easiest way to maintain your new skin tone after you have lightened or whitened or brightened up your skin is not to stop the products you were using. You can actually do that, but just know that you will either go back to your normal complexion or redarken your skin. So the easiest way that you can maintain your skin tone after lightening, whitening or brightening up your skin is to actually continue the same product, but this time around you want to be using it once every day. So you want to use the products that help you attain your complexion once every day. So all you have to do is to scrape out your old skincare routine and to build up a new skincare routine. I don't mean building from scratch. In this situation, you don't really need to build from scratch. For instance, if you use the lightening lotion to achieve your complexion, like let's say you were using this Q7 carrot extract and you achieve the complexion or shade that you love, and then you just want to maintain that particular shade and not lighten or darken, the only thing you have to do is to get a moisturizing lotion. Instead of ditching this particular lotion, you can go ahead to use this at night and then get a regular body lotion and use in the daytime. So you can actually get the Dove body lotion, or you can get the Nivea lotion, or any other moisturizing lotion that you love and use in the daytime, and then use this lightening body lotion that helped you achieve your complexion at night alone. Okay, so for some people it will work that way for them. So one thing you need to understand is that everyone's skin is different. So I might be using this at night and be using this in the daytime to maintain my complexion, and it will work for me. But if someone else should use this and this at night, it might not work for them. They might still be getting fairer. So what you want to do in this situation is to use your lightening lotion like once a week, or like use it this night, skip tomorrow night, use it the next night. It can still work for you that way, or you can choose to skip like 2 days away. So you just have to find out what works for you and stick to it if you want to maintain your complexion. But ditching the particular product that helped you achieve your complexion will make you go dark or return back to your initial complexion, and you don't really want that. So yeah, that is it on how to maintain your skin tone after lightening, whitening, or brightening up your skin. You don't really need to do much. So I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.